Hello everyone, welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see what are the domains in VLSI industry. Okay. Previously we had discussed what is the VLSI design flow. In that we have specifications, the article coding and functional verification, DFT, physical design, STA, sign off and fabrication. Okay, these are about the VLSI design flow. Today we are going to see about what are the domains in VLSI industry. Okay, different people, different works in different domain. Okay, we have RTL. Okay, we have PD. Okay, so that yeah, okay, it's all together is called VLSI. Okay, VLSI industry. Okay, today we are going to see what what are the domains in VLSI industry. Okay, welcome to VLSI. Welcome to Chip Talks with Madan. Today we are going to see what are the domains domains in VLSI industry. Okay. Hmm. In domains means okay, we have RTL team. Okay, the RTL people will write logics. Okay, and it's converted into PD people. Okay, PD people will the design is converted into physical layout. Okay, physical layout on the chip. Okay, they will do separate. Okay, they will work on separate. These are the domains. Okay, I will explain the first domain. Okay, first domain is we have two parts. Okay, front end and back end. Okay, front end means front end. Okay, for front end. Okay, front end design. Front end design. Okay, front end design. Okay, front end designs are come from Stone is RTL team. RTL designer, or we can say coding RTL design. Okay, RTL designer. Okay, RTL designer. Second one is can say functional verification. Functional verification. Third one is they come from DFT people. Okay, DFT people. DFT engineer. Yeah, DFT people. We can say DFT people. Okay. We already seen that three domains, they will functions. Okay, RT people will write the code. Okay, logic of that specifications. Functional verification, they will check that logic works, and DFT people they will add extra logic. Okay, after fabrication the chips are correctly working. Okay, they will made some sample chips, and they will give some inputs, and they will check the chip. Okay, these are come from DFT people. Okay, they will, and each domain they will use separate tools. Okay, tools needed used tools used here is we can say synopsis and cadence and Zyzilium. Okay, these are the tools used by the front end designer. Okay, until functional verification, DFT people will use these tools. Okay, skills in that means already told. um, They will write the logic in Verilog. Okay, Verilog and VHDL and system Verilog. Okay, these are the things they should be good in. Okay, when you choose front end designer. Next comes about a back-end designer. Back-end engineer, we can tell. Back-end, back-end designer, back-end designer. Okay. In that they will come some PD. PD people is the back-end designer. Okay. PD means physical design. Okay. I already told physical design people will design that physically in the chip. Okay. They will they will physically design the physically. Okay, we can tell they will design physically on chip. Okay, physically means physically on chip. Okay, okay, the logic, entire logics are okay. They will design on a chip. The chip will be physically okay. Tools will be like first of all, the okay, we can tell tools. Tools they will use are comes under like same cadence synopsis also we can they will use and innovas was and synopsis synopsis and prime time. Okay, they will use more this much of tools. Okay, because they are in physical design. We have like floor planning. Okay, floor planning and floor planning, routing, and HTA. Like this, we have more numbers. Okay, so they will use individual tools for individual parts. Okay, floor planning for cadence, we can routing for something. Okay, they will use certain. These are the things they will used in backend designer. Okay, backend designer role is like they will design physically on chip. Okay, this is the last step in okay, last step before the chip manufacturing. Okay, they will entirely design that physically on chip. Okay, next about comes under analog and mixed signal. Analog and mixed signal. Okay. Okay, analog and mixed signal. Okay, these are okay. I previously explained front end and back end. No, they will, they are like they will write the logic and it go and they will give to that PD people. PD people will they design physical and chip and then the fabrication will start. But in an analog mixed signal, they will they are they are they will design. Okay, they will design transistor level transistor level. Okay, transistor level design. Okay, transistor level designs. Okay, transistor level designs, and they will also design as they will also work in simulations and some layouts. Okay, layout. Okay, so are the I think analog and mixed signal designers. Okay, designers will work. Can add number three. Okay, and so the back end is second one. Okay, and front end is first one. Okay, and here the tools used same tools. Okay, all same category tools only they will use. Okay, but they will use in different purpose. Tools used here is cadence, cadence, and sure we can say synopsis also we can say. Okay, so these are the analog and mixed signal engineers designers will do. And fourth one is layout people, analog layout. Same one, analog layout people, analog layout. Okay, analog layout means they will design. Okay, they will work on transitable designs. Okay, they will draw. Okay, they will draw some analog circuits. Okay, from physical layout. Okay, like we can tell they will work in they will work in transistor level. Okay, and they will draw 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 the physical layout for analog circuit. Physical layout for analog circuit. These domains are called this the analog layout and analog system. They are long channel domains. Okay, they have to work more. Okay, they have to manually do some lot of works. Okay, before that backend and front end are some tools we said some digital will come, but here they will do manually. These are these are long channel, long channel, long channel workers, long channel domains. Okay, they will do lot of manually. They will do lot of manual things. Okay. Next fifth one is like foundation, foundry and process domain. Same way. This is name itself you can identify foundry and foundry and process domain means we can tell it's a fabrication domain. Okay, it is a fabrication domain. Okay, in that they will manufacture the chip based on that physical design we will receive. Fabrication domain. They will fabricate chips. Okay, and tools is used. They will use process simulation tools. Okay, these are the domains in VLSI industry. First one is like front end. Front end involved RTL designer, functional verification, DFT people. Tools here synopsis, cadence, Xyzilium. Skills Verilog, VSTL, and system Verilog. Backend designer will do physical design. Okay, they simply design physical on chip. Okay, tools, cadence, Innova, synopsis, prime time. Okay, like skills are floor planning, routing, etc. Okay, analog and mixed signal designers. They are transistor level designers. Okay, and works in simulations layout also. Okay, same exactly the analog layout people. Okay, but both are like long channel domains. Okay, they will do a lot of manual things rather than digital. Okay, and found last step is foundry and process domain. It's like if last step. Okay, they will fabricate the fabrication domain. They will fabricate chips. Okay, once all process is completed, they will fabricate the chips based on that design. Okay, they will use process simulation. So the domains in VLSI industry we have. Okay, people will choose any one of the domain. They will work. Okay, in that they will any work in any part of that role. Okay, like we can choose PDP means in PD they have like floor planning, routing, something XSTA. Okay, in that they will work on floor planning also. They also work in routing STA. Okay, like this people will split. Okay, in that category they will work in that company. Okay, these are the domains we have seen, and I'm a PD domain. Okay, so I am going to make videos of PD. Okay, before that I am going to do some basics. Okay, before going into PD we need to excellent in basics like digital design, Linux. Okay, Linux commands and TCL scripting. Okay, these three should be thorough. Okay, so that the PD domain will be easy. Why means we are using some of the tools. Okay, EDA tools. Okay, electronic design automation tools. Okay, I will explain why we are using scripting language in EDA. What is EDA? Okay, why are we are using tools? Okay, I will post some separate videos. Okay, so and also I am going to make a course. Okay, I will do course on digital design, TCL and Linux. Okay, in three we have, I'm going to do course. Okay, I will post videos on that three parts. Okay, and after that I will start PD. Okay, using theory as well as the tools. How to use that, how to make, how to design, how to make layout. Okay, course I'm going to do. I will write here courses I am going to do. I'm going to do digital design and Linux, Linux and Tickle. Okay, this three I'm going to do course. Okay, so keep watching my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you have any doubt, comment in the comment box. Okay, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so soon I will start that course in upcoming videos. Okay, Bye. Bye from Madan. See you in the next video.